Hi everybody, it's the Sewing Basket on Tuesday. This is Elaine, and we are playing with the Luminaire today. We've got Michelle here who is learning how to use decorative fills. She made this cute runner from our Rachel's Heart pattern, and she has programmed this real cute leaf decorative fill. And she's filled that on all three hearts. And now I'm going to come over to the machine and show you what she's working on next. This is a darling little miniature tumbler. These guys are really small. You can see it compared to my fingers. And she wanted to do a real small stipple. So what we did on her machine is we scanned in the design that's in her hoop, and then we picked stippling, and we're currently in the midst of running it. I'm going to just hit the machine on, and you'll see it doing that teeny tiny stipple. It's pretty cool. And I'm going to go over here and show you the part that's already done. You can see how small that stipple is. And the machine is stitching away and ready to go. So on the Luminaire has 42 different fill patterns. This one is the leaves and the flowers, 42 different patterns. The Stellaire machine has 12 different fill patterns, and the Dream machine as well. So those three machines allow you to quilt by filling in shapes. You scan in your picture, you trace around kind of with your finger and say, fill this space with this design. So a lot of brands of machines will say, yes, we do fills. You can call up a square or a circle. You can call up a square or a circle and fill that shape, but you don't have the ability to say, I want to go around this heart, or I want to trace around this pumpkin, or those of you who had seen the swan I did a few weeks ago, I could trace around the swan and fill just specific portions. So that's the fun of quilting on a Brother sewing machine that has the built-in scanner and built-in fills. Thanks for hanging with us for a few minutes. We'll pop in soon for another live. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.